BAMit is an incredible new app that brings you more business. BAMit allows you to promote your business to your local communities through great deals and promotions with no hidden fees, no upfront costs, and no hardware required. It's free to put your business on BAMit. You can sign up your business at bamit.com/signup in less than 5 minutes. After you're signed up, you'll instantly receive an email from BAMit asking you to verify your information. Then bam, your deal is live on BAMit. BAMit offers you the ultimate in flexibility. Easily and quickly add, edit, or remove deals as your business requires. Not only will you get new customers, but BAMit makes sure they return through BAMBucks, a powerful and effective loyalty and rewards program. Need help getting started? Visit our website or call our awesome customer service team at 866-GO-BAMIT. It's that easy. BAMit is the app that makes both dollars and cents. Join BAMit today.